Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your SiriusXM subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your service properly. Step 1. Before canceling, note your radio ID and account information, as you may need them during the cancellation process. Step 2. Call SiriusXM customer service at 1-866-663-52349. Unfortunately, you cannot cancel online and must call to cancel. Step 3. When prompted by the automated system, say cancel service or press the number for account management. Step 4. Be prepared to wait on hold as call volumes can be high. Have your account information ready. Step 5. When you reach a representative, clearly state that you want to cancel your subscription. Step 6. The representative will likely offer you discounts or promotional rates to keep your service. Politely decline if you're determined to cancel. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation date. Ask whether the cancellation is effective immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. Step 8. Request a confirmation email or reference number for your cancellation to keep for your records. Step 9. Ask about any remaining balance or refunds if you've prepaid for service beyond your cancellation date. Step 10. Verify that any auto-renewal or automatic payments have been stopped. Step 11. Check your email for cancellation confirmation and save it for your records. Step 12. Monitor your credit card or bank statements to ensure no further charges appear after cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.